there, welcome back to SysTools YouTube channel, your go-to place for quick and easy solutions to tech challenges. In today's video, we're diving into BMP to PDF converter. Whether you're looking for step-by-step guidance or a powerful tool to get the job done effortlessly, you're in the right place. Here at SysTools, we believe in making things simple, effective, and stress-free. That's why we'll also introduce you to an amazing tool by SysTools that can help you accomplish export BMP file into PDF file format with just a few clicks. To install the software, download from the link in the video description. After installing the software, simply launch it. The main screen will appear of the software. Here, you will see two options to add your data. Add file or add folder option. Click on any one option. Select the TIFF file and click on Open button. If you have added wrong file, then you can remove the added files by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. You can use Move Up and Move Down button to arrange the added images. If you want to print the images, then you can select Print Radio button. By default, the software saves the resulting files on the desktop. If you want to change, then click on Change button. Select the destination location where you want to save the resultant files. You can also create new folder by clicking on Make New Folder option. After select the destination folder, click on OK button. Now, click on Next button to continue the process. The software will preview all the added images one after one. Click on Next button. You can see multiple file formats by clicking on drop-down Export Format option. We are converting into PDF format. In PDF settings option, if you want to create PDF file for each image, then you can check the Create PDF for each image option. If you want to create single PDF for all images, then select Create Single PDF for all images option. Here, the software provides option to select the number of images for single page. You can select the numbers according to your needs. In PDF security settings, add a user password and add document open password option to open the PDF file. Add restrictions on PDF option to set all types of restrictions on the PDF file for protection. Apply PDF page layout settings. Set the top, left, right, and bottom margin of the page, where the minimum size is 2 mm and the maximum size is 10 mm. In paper orientation, change the style of the exported PDF file by either choosing the portrait mode or landscape mode. In page size, select the size of the page A4, A3, or letter. After all the settings, click on the Convert button to start the conversion process. You can see the live progress report. Once the conversion process is complete, the message Image converted successfully will appear. Click on OK. After conversion, the software will show the final report with total item count, success file count, failed file count, and destination path. You can directly access the converted file by clicking on the location and view the resultant PDF file. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.